Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring the essentials are in place: Python 3, X, VS Code, and the Jupyter plus Python extensions. Once installed, create or select a virtualenv or conda environment and install ipykernel so the kernel appears in VS Code. Open a ipynb or use the command palette to create a new notebook. Make sure you pick the right kernel from the top right selector. This first step gets you from 0 to a running notebook inside VS Code quickly and reliably. Once the notebook runs, focus on kernel management and workflow. You should pick a kernel tied to the project env so dependencies match. Register ipykernel when needed. Use short, focused code cells and markdown to document intent. This makes debugging and reviews easier. Also, use the interactive window for small experiments and run selection to iterate faster. For reproducibility, pin package versions in requirements, txt or environment, iml, and make sure to restart the kernel periodically to catch state-related bugs. To finish your session, save and export artifacts. Convert notebooks to Py for code review or to HTML for sharing results. Integrate with Git by cleaning outputs or using tools like nbstripout so diffs remain readable. Alternatively, commit a paired script for version control. For performance, avoid huge outputs and consider smaller checkpoints. If something goes wrong, like the kernel dying, restart VS Code, activate the env, reinstall the problematic package, and verify path. This single troubleshooting step fixes most kernel-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.